Hello traders and welcome to first analysis of the Ethereum to Bitcoin at Zondacrypto. As you can see, this is the daily time frame chart of the Ether to the Bitcoin time frame. And what do we have here is of course the Japanese candlesticks and some volume indicators. So let's take a look at the technical picture of the Ethereum to the Bitcoin. So if we zoom out, we can clearly see that we got this kind of a very nice bounce from the lows at 0.049, and then you got the very impulsive kind of a wave progression towards the level of let me take a look, 0.085 as well. So impressive rally, but then again the first wave of the sell-off, bounce, sell-off, and then we have the sequence, unfortunately, of the lower highs, okay, and then we have the sequence of the lower lows. So this definitely looks like some kind of a corrective cycle on the Ether to the Bitcoin. So let's just take a look at the main levels here at the beginning. So we got the technical support, the long-term technical support. Let's establish that 0.05 basically. And then, of course, a long-term technical resistance, which is surely located at 0. There you go, 0.08055. Yeah. So this is the red color, so resistance, and this is how it looks. Like we can apply the let's say a trend line here, but it's pretty much obvious that we are trading lower. You can see that this trend line is being respected by the market. So if we make it orange, you can clearly see that we have the first hit here, then just below the trend line, and then some sort of the battle of the trend line was present as well. If we just make it right, there you go. So you can see this is the current, maybe little bit different slope somewhere there. Nevertheless, new lows was made after the battle of the trend line, so it's a definitely valid trend line. What else can we add to make a full picture of this analysis? Of course, is the MA crossover. So you can see that we are going to use 100 and 200 days moving average. So the first one is 100 and the other one is 200 moving average. So right now we are trading both below 100 and 200 moving average. The trend line is just in the middle of this trend lines as well. What else do we have here? We have the local spike low, let's say, which is located at the level of there you go, 0.054 basically. So this is the spike low. Let's make it green, and we got another spike low, of course, just in the just after the first one, 0.058. And this recent development here reminds me some sort of the triangle pattern. So if we just make this kind of a, there you go, this kind of a pattern here. So let's say that will be let's say blue, whatever, it doesn't matter the colors right now, and we have something like here. So we clearly can see this is some sort of the triangle. So in our situation, this triangle might result in a spike to the downside towards the one of this technical support levels. So let's just leave it like it is right now for the purposes of our analysis. We definitely know that we are under the bearish pressure. We are moving lower in the chart. The last swing high was made last year in the beginning of in the first week of the September 2022. So within a 1 month, 5 weeks basically, we will have this down movement 1 year old. So waiting for a breakout to the downside to continue the downtrend. Only a sustained breakout above this trend line here and above the moving averages would change the outlook to more bullish, of course, targeting the local high at 0.070. Okay, so this is the outlook for the Ethereum to the Bitcoin on a daily time frame chart on Zondacrypto exchange. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.